Okay, so we stopped at Atome Bridge. So this Atome Bridge, and we went through that military checkpoint, and we just want to have the experience. So we are walking across the bridge, and it's so beautiful seeing all these, the canoe, the little islands over there, the water and the mountains. And there's Alpha traveling home.
Yeah.
All right.
Next time.
Campus.
Yeah, so after the Adomi Bridge, there's this small market. You can get 1,000 fish, fried snails, there's turkey, there's fried yam, there's water, bread. So it's a whole market. Oh, okay, yo. What's your snail? Okay, Pacho is saying same. Okay, Mam 10 cities. Okay, so we are going to see the monkeys. Yeah, so still going. Okay, so we are approaching the monkeys. Yeah, don't come. Yeah, that one is big. Oh. That's the biggest I've seen so far. So the group leader, Grandpa.
They move in groups.
Wow. Oh, Grandpa. Grandpa, let the children eat it.
Oh, Grandpa. Of course, it's not a grandma, it's a grandpa. Grandpa.
Yes. Who first?
Hey. Yeah, I don't come out.
It's apart from a banana, they can't see any other thing.
I don't know one
no, like, yes, a monkey son of you. They send on me, I'll be able to focus. Go down. Grandpa can't see. I can't say no. Who is next?
No, what is the big one that still comes?
I just see.
Easy. Where they go?
That was good. Mama Grandpa.
So when you are telling them that you are not safe, so
Okay.
Sorry.
We have two families at the same time. They don't mingle, they do fight for territory. So as you can see, this is also another.
Hey.
That's the grandpa over there.
Really?
That's your grandpa.
Oh,
okay.
Your grandpa is
No, the one inside.
Yeah. So there's a different grandpa for this family. 13 families in all. Hey, what sound is that?
Fight, no.
Face us.
Don't leave the banana. Also, don't leave the banana. So, or Jiri probably Johnny.
So how are we gonna try it? Because I'm really scared.
Okay.
If you can feed grandfather, you can feed the rest. Because they jump more than 2 or 3 on it.
When grandpa comes, they all don't come around.
Yes.
Respect, no.
Richard, come video me make a.
Did you take two?
Yeah, you need to.
Okay, I'm next.
Yeah, I wanted to pick a box.
The time is going to
Be doing grandpa things here.
Ah, okay.
Oh, just say. They are scratching you. No, they don't know that.
Charlie.
I'll give this family some.
Yeah.
Okay. There's some war going on here.
Who is next?
There's a World War III going on here. World War III. So that's how they fight, family against family. I don't know what caused the war, but that's how they fight.
Yeah, the same breed. I think humans we are the same breed that we fight. Yes, please.
The last one.
Put it firm. One man.
That was okay.
So it's next.
Okay, so Henry Philly.
Grandpa is coming. Who's also big back? Yo. What's the grandpa there? Yeah.
Okay, on him so you penny one back.
Wow.
They know they are stealing.
Yeah, Henry Shiro. Okay. What's
Waje.
No go you get shot there. Yeah.
No, I think I've noticed what's happening. They are little one, not supposed to stay.
Tell me.
It's once they pick and they take it away. No, I think it's not their place to eat it. No, it's not their place to stay. I think that's what's happening.
Yeah. The original word is kinate. Okay. Kinate. Kinate. Okay. So they are claiming this is the original kente. And this honey. Efimi Welly. Nene. 15. 50. Okay. Yeah, me sugar. Oh, well, a forest, yeah. We are on our way to climb Mount Afadja. Then there's this area, I think, for resting or something.
Lucy, I'm in trouble.
So this goes to the falls. Tagbo Falls. So this is how steep it is. And then going down. Hey, I also know you. I know this guy. Hello.
Yeah, Charlie.
Yeah. Yeah. Still climbing. See the terrain. It's not so smooth. It's not like there are stairs you can just step on and climb. I'm here with my Thames. Can you do this in Thames? Okay, and there are some ropes you can hold on to when you are very tired. See how eroded the ground is. And looks like clay. So there's some slip. Some more ropes you can hold on to. Yeah, it's getting very steep at this point. Someone is resting.
Are you resting or you need hands?
See how someone is also resting over here.
Nana, make it.
Alright. So this steeper. I'm going to make use of the roots other than the other side. Yeah. So let's see. That's our cameraman. Michael, what's wrong with you? You can see heavy men sitting down and resting. And here's what is before me. Steeper grounds to climb. God be my helper. Look at this. Where do I put my foot? Where? Well, I'll figure it out. Yeah. So I discovered some shortcuts. From down there, you can just take this shortcut. Well, he said making no pass here. You could pass this way. So the tour guide is advising he doesn't use this. He should use the other. He won't force and do one. Yeah, dear, your hands for the ground. Let's see how he does it. That's right. Yeah. With no help. He did it.
I did it.
Together we made it. We made it even though we had our backs up against the wall. It's me. Hey. Don't go la.
I don't wonder we didn't get it.
See how she's doing it so easily. Last hurdle to go. I just want to show you the view. Those are some more mountains right there. Okay, let's move on. Still in Thames. So I'm almost doing double work because of these heavy boots.
You're doing a documentary.
Yeah. So that's Lucy in my shot. Yeah. She's so amazing. You have a lot of energy.
You wish.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Which one is the border they were talking about?
Yeah, so you see this valley. The border is in this valley. So the other mountain you see is actually in Togo. Yeah.
That mountain you see is Togo. And then where I'm standing right now is Ghana. See the way I'm thinking?
Yeah.
Yeah, come.
Akpiali. You guys speak. So which direction is Likpe? Oh, so Likpe is this way. Likpe is this way. Likpe Bala. Then Togo is this way. Yeah, he is. Yeah. So coming down, tour guide says we need much water to drink. Okay. Yeah. This is a second bottle. Or first?
No, just half a bottle.
Oh,
I started
okay.
with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
With half. You've done well.
1-4.
1-4.
6.
Yeah.
So
I captured 1-3. This is a nice spider.
Hey, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Very
It
beautiful.
will be poisonous, eh?
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm
The way
sure.
it's colored.
It's so beautiful and big.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a spider like this. Though. There are
Don't
some
disturb
very
your
tiny,
peace.
tiny ones too beside it too.
It's babies. What are baby spiders
I'm
called?
sure there are 3 or 4. There are 5. There are many. There are 6, 7. Oh, I'm seeing a lot.
Really?
Oh, there are plenty.
Yeah.
The tiny ones.
Is that not food?
No,
Food
they are
trap?
spiders. Are you sure?
Yeah, I think
they
they
are
are
food.
insect trap.
They are food.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Okay.
big. Oh,
Yeah.
They are spiders.
Really?
because I was seeing there. No, they are not
Can you
spiders.
see their legs?
Oh, yeah, you are right.
They are spiders. Sure, they are baby spiders.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
nice.
that is so big and nice.
So if you know this,
And there are some here too.
I see them
you know the
in
name
documentaries and all.
this spider,
You will see
Let
this
me know.
in the house.
Charlie, are some of the trees for medicine?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Do people come cut some for medicine?
I'm sure they are for medicine.
Not
but
on this
they
mountain.
wouldn't know.
Okay.
But if you're a medical practitioner
Yeah.
or maybe a herbalist, you will know
You
which
can
kind of
tell.
plants
Yeah.
for medicine.
Oh, okay. Because back in Kakum, they were talking about
yes,
stuff
they
like
are,
that.
because they are.
So finishing hard.
It's very steep.
Wow,
Oh,
no.
the people are resting there.
No. This is so steep. This is how steep. See the view. So that town is Latiwati, where we came from. Yeah. Latiwati. Ask again. Oh. Where? Yeah. Yeah. Can you see how steep? Can you see how steep? Looking down and looking up. We find it healthy.
Seriously. Why? It's good. Because you can see my heart is building up. And I'm not getting tired as I went down there.
Yeah, like when we're coming.
Yeah.
Wow.
I hear them talk about
I thought we were done.
Here we are!
Woo! 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 Look at that.
This is a beauty.
And AC is here.
I actually
We made it.
like in 45 minutes.
We made it.
In 45 minutes.
Yes, you have to give you a medal.
Woo!
Yeah.
Some more lovely people around.
Many boys in the middle of purpose.
Wow.
No, wait, it's all.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's all.
The one we see just here.
Force that too.
Where?
There.
You dey see am?
Tagbo force, see that.
Oh yeah, I see am. Wow.
Congratulations.
You made it. You made it. You made it.
Easy. Easy. Oh. So if you are descending, this is how it goes.
Step on my airport,
You need to be very careful because there are loose stones. Loose stones.
That's right.
So as you descend, yeah, good job. Halfway there. Good job. Yeah, so halfway through. And when I descend, I'm going to tell you the time, the number of minutes I used to climb and descend. Yeah, and then you can grade me. Yeah, so almost home. Yeah, so a bit of advice. Definitely don't climb in Thames. Okay, it'll make your work stressful, more load. All right, but I wanted to do this in Thames. That's why I have my Thames on. If you have ropes, make use of them, you know, and do this at your own pace. All right, don't rush. One step at a time. Rest if you have to, and watch before you climb, else you might slip. Yeah. Okay, so We saw these flowers and we're told it grows from the ground itself. Yeah. If you know what it is, kindly comment. That means they vanish at a point and then reappear. So I think this when they vanish, they become black. And then when they open up, I'm yet to know what opens them up. All right. She's up there. Yeah, so make use of ropes like this to support you. Guys, really, I think descending is much difficult than ascending. All right, I think ascending is easier than descending this mountain. Yeah, because I'm feeling pains in my knees and my legs are already weak. You might argue with me, but let me know in the comment section when you were exploring this mountain, which was easier, climbing or descending? Let me know in the comment section. You say what? Descending yeah. Is easier. Very difficult. More difficult. It's more difficult than ascending. Okay.
Yeah. Because my legs are all weak.
Wow.
So I can't even control myself.
Oh, gradually. We'll make it home. Sure. Yeah. We'll make it home. Let me get that again. Yay! We have conquered. Woo! Oh, wait. I haven't conquered yet. Let me pass that and then I can shout, I've conquered. Woo! Ima has conquered. AC has conquered. Cyril has conquered. Woo! So one thing, guys, don't get to the first resting point, which is welcome. Okay, don't just pass it, look behind and say conquered and then you go back. No, you need to go right to the top, all the way to the top, come down, and then you can shout, I've conquered. Visit Afadjato or Mount Afadja in Ghana and have fun. So cooling off with cocoa beans, fresh coconut water. We are at Wli waterfalls, and then just after making payments, we are walking. We are walking to the waterfall, and we're able to see it from the road, you know, from the roadside. Yeah, so we are going to walk for 30 minutes before we get to the waterfall. So there is this recreational place. There's bamboo and a small bridge. A bridge with no handrails. At least the water is clear. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so the resting area.
No, I should say.
So some more bamboos. Was the waterfall? Okay. And then there's cocoa. There's cocoa growing. Okay. Yeah, so the view. This is just another river. Second bridge.
5 more to go.
Wow. So I'm having muscle cramps. Wow. It didn't happen when I was climbing Afadja. It didn't happen when I was descending, but it decided to happen when I've decided to walk to Wli waterfalls. Oh, wow. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, so a third bridge. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. One logo line. Okay. Hey. They don't go do. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when you approach the waterfall. Something like a summer hat. See trees, benches to sit on. Yes. Okay, so after the waterfall, the water runs to the various bridges we saw earlier.
You are watching like a South football or gladiator movie where they
Wow, this is so beautiful. All the way up. All the way up. Wow. Wow. Shout outs to Afadja. I joined them on this trip. We left Accra at 6 a.m. and we first saw the Adomi Bridge. From there, we moved to the Tafi Atome Monkey Sanctuary, where we saw the true Mona monkeys, and then proceeded to Mountain Afadja. And then from there, we moved to Wli waterfalls. It was great. It was fun. We did all this in one day. We left Wli waterfalls at 6 p.m. and then got back to Accra at 10:30 p.m. Wouldn't you like to have beautiful shots like this one from Mountain Afadja? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.